Picture this. You're ready to hit the road, but your car battery is dead. A frustrating situation, right? Choosing the right jumper cables can make all the difference in getting you back on track quickly and safely. Today, we're comparing 5 top-rated options available on Amazon to help you make an informed decision. Stay tuned to discover which jumper cable is our surprising #1 pick and why it could be the one you need in your trunk. Remember, links in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content. NOONE Jumper Cables. The NOONE Jumper Cables are designed for everyday drivers looking for reliability without breaking the bank. These cables feature a durable construction and solid clamps that provide a secure and effective connection. With a length of 16 feet, they offer ample reach to jumpstart a vehicle even in tight parking spots. Ideal for casual users and those who may not need heavy-duty options, these cables shine in emergency situations. However, they may not be the best choice for extreme weather conditions, as the rubber insulation can be less effective in freezing temperatures. Cartman 10-gauge 12-feet jumper cables. Next up are the Cartman 10-gauge 12-feet jumper cables, which are perfect for those who value safety and performance. Constructed from high-quality copper, these cables ensure efficient power transfer to your battery. The 10-gauge wire is particularly effective for jump-starting larger vehicles, making them suitable for trucks and SUVs. A key strength is their flexibility, which allows for easy handling during emergencies. Real-world users have noted their reliability during cold winter mornings. However, the 12-foot length may limit your options if your vehicle is parked further away. ABN Jumper Cables. The ABN Jumper Cables stand out for their heavy-duty design and accessibility. Known for their bright yellow color, these cables are easy to spot in your trunk, and their 20-foot length provides excellent reach. They boast strong copper clamps that ensure a solid connection every time. Best suited for those who often travel longer distances or have larger vehicles, these cables are a must-have for road trips. Users appreciate their durability and ease of use. A slight downside is their bulkiness, which may take up more space compared to other models. 0-gauge, 25-feet heavy-duty jumper cables. For serious power and performance, the 0-gauge 25-feet heavy-duty jumper cables offer unmatched capabilities. These cables are ideal for heavy-duty vehicles or frequent users who want peace of mind. With a remarkable length of 25 feet, you can jumpstart vehicles parked farther apart. The robust construction prevents overheating during extended usage, ensuring safety. Whether you're assisting a friend or dealing with a breakdown, these cables are up to the task. The only caveat is that they can be heavier and bulkier than lighter models, making them less portable. Energizer Jumper Cables. Taking the top spot, the Energizer Jumper Cables are recognized for their superior quality and performance. Engineered with a unique combination of flexibility and strength, these cables are perfect for anyone who values both convenience and reliability. Their impressive 16-foot length makes them versatile for various vehicle types, while the alligator clips ensure a secure grip, even in tough conditions. A fantastic choice for both everyday users and emergency preparedness. Energizer cables are often praised for their efficient power transfer. The only drawback might be their price point, which is slightly higher than competitors. But the investment is well worth it for the peace of mind they provide. Now that you've seen our top 5 jumper cables, it's clear that having the right gear can save you from a potentially stressful situation. Make sure to check out the links in the description to find the perfect match for your needs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more great content just like this.